Quick production assembly. Gotta be building some 6-pack cradles. Breaking up the MIG welder. The maintenance. Got everything wrapped up. Now that this area is all clean and our 6-pack back there is vented out, I'll show you guys what's up. Welding area is all cleaned up. Here's the 6-pack cradles that I've been working on, 6 of them for production for my job. These are 6-packs up here, different flavors that we got. Check it. Nothing fancy. Hopefully first time MIGing. Not too shabby. Little porosity in that one right there. Right there at the end, you can see it. Ain't afraid to show the fuck ups, it's all good. But yeah, someone else knocked out this one. This wasn't me. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cradles knocked out in about 3.5, 4 hours.